Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get any knife super sharp so you can just slice through paper, shave dead easy, really top quality edge with sandpaper and a leather strop. It's so simple, so easy, and let's get to it. Stay tuned. We're going to be going through the grits. I got 800 grit, 1500, 2500, well 2000, it's all mixed up, but I'll go through them progressively. 1500, what else we got? 1000 grit. Yeah, so I just bought these in a multi-pack. You get them on eBay. I'll put the link in somewhere, I don't know, up here maybe. The leather strop that I'm going to be using is actually a welder's apron. Now you can get these cheap as chips and you just glue them on. I just use normal, contact adhesive and just glued it onto a piece of wood. Yeah, it's just a silver line welding apron. You get them so cheap, most hardware stores, and you get loads of leather, and it's pretty thick. It's not the thickest stuff, but it's definitely thick enough to make, simple axe sheaths and leather strops and all sorts of random stuff for Bushcraft. Tinder pouches, all sorts. So it's just a handy way. See, if you don't know a leather worker, or a place to get just like rawhide and things like that, then it's an easy way to just get some, and it doesn't break the bank. Okay, jump lead cables. I just like to raise up my work table a little bit, because see, when you're trying to sharpen anything, you want to be able to go down below the table, and to work on the edge of the tables, you can do that, that's fine. But I just like having this because I can move it about, so if I want to go that way, or, it's more adjustable. So that's what we'll be doing today. I'm going to start off with this one because it is the most blunt. There's not a single hair getting cut there, and I hate having knives that you can't shave with. So I think I'm going to start off with, I don't usually go through every single grit, like they just came in this pack, so I have all these grits, but when they start running out I'll probably start using the other ones. So that's 2000 and 2500. Okay, so start off nice and dry. Once I get up to sort of 2000, 2500, that's when I start wetting it with a little bit of water. For now, it's important to try and keep the blade at a set angle. Unless you're going for a convex grind, I guess, but a lot of the time, especially with Bushcraft, if you want to make nice feather sticks and things like that, you want to have quite a flat sort of bevel. Try not to cut your thumbs. You can clamp this down with a piece of wood, or you can glue it on. I'm just a bit careful. It'll be funny if I cut myself now. Right, that's me. Well, done with 1000 grit. Onto 2000 grit. This makes a much bigger difference. So that's me being at it with the 2000 grit for quite a bit of time. Definitely getting somewhere. 2,500. This is when I start using a bit of water, so just rainwater. Don't have to get fancy. Like, you can use oil, but I just find it's a lot harder to clean up. You end up with a mess everywhere, whereas water works pretty good too. And the good thing is, once the sandpaper starts getting a bit more worn, it actually puts a finer edge on, so although it's 2500 grit at the start, at the end it's a much finer grit because the knife has obviously cut off all the roughness. It ends up getting really smooth. You can actually get a really nice polish. I don't always leather strop afterwards anyway, like if I'm not after getting it stupidly sharp, like if it's just an axe or something like that, I'll quite often just use this, call it quits. The important thing is to just keep the sandpaper flat to the surface, because if it's making little waves every time you push the knife, you're going to actually take the edge off, because it won't be that consistent angle. See, once it starts wearing down to this sort of paste, that's when you get really good results. Now, I can sometimes put jeweler's compound on this. It helps speed things up a bit, but you don't need it. And since this is a proper budget thing, I just made this one up today because my old one was getting pretty rubbish. So this is what really makes a difference between having an okay edge and having a fantastic edge. Don't spare the strokes with this. Also, don't rush. If you rush with this, you don't get the right results. Take your time, you won't cut yourself. Just keep going. You can get any knife absolutely razor sharp with a leather strop. Better stop before I end up shaving my whole arm off. So this is a pretty cheap knife. I think it cost me about £8 or something like that. It's not like a Mora, it's pretty cheap steel. It is stainless steel. Just with sandpaper and a leather strop. Let's do a paper test. Now, I know some people probably I wonder if I can go for the wavy cut. It's quite ambitious. Oh, yeah, okay, that's really cool. So, it's a cheap blade, it's not high quality steel. I've used 3 bits of sandpaper and a leather strop. That's all you need to get your knives absolutely razor sharp. It sounds kind of funny, because I know a lot of people spend a lot of money on whetstones and things like that, but that's all you need. And hope this video helps. If you've got dull knives, sort them out. Nothing worse than a blunt knife. So I'm just going to get stuck in sharpening the rest of these. It's the same process. The only difference with the Scandi grind is, well, not on the thing, but on sandpaper. Pretend to you just want to angle it onto that bevel, and then you just keep it at that angle. So it's a little bit easier than a blade like this, where you can't really feel when it hits the bevel. But a lot of the time I don't actually do that. I just look at the gap between the back of the knife and the sandpaper, and then I just keep that constant, and it works fine. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe. Let me know how you get on with sharpening your knives, if you manage to get them sharp enough to cut paper. And I'll see you for the next one. Thank you.